Runga means on. Kei runga au I te turu, I am on the chair. Not really, I'm standing up. What if I am on the bus? Well, Te Reo Māori has a specific form to indicate the means of transport, and that is mā runga. Kei te haere hau, mā runga pahi, I am travelling by bus. Or kua haere mai a Mary, mā runga motorcar. Mary has come here by motorcar. Ka haere ia mā runga terena, he will travel by train. I haere ngā tamariki mā runga paihikara. The children travelled by bicycle, which is good for them. Kei te haere te kōtero mā runga papa reti reti. The girl is travelling by skateboard. Ka haere māua ki poneki mā runga waka rererangi. Us two, not you, will travel to Wellington by aeroplane. So here's a bit of a grammar rule. Generally, we don't need the te in front of the thing that you are travelling by, and so it's kei te haere hau mā runga waka, I am travelling by car, and not mā runga te waka, I am travelling by the car, unless, in fact, we are talking about a specific car, such as my car or Rangi's car. Kei te haere ahau mā runga I tōku waka, I am travelling by my car, and we add an E in front of the tōku waka. And remember, it is tōku and not tāku, because modes of transport are in the or category. And kei te haere ahau mā runga I te waka o Rangi, I am travelling in Rangi's car. So for example, if we want to look at two different things, I haere rātou ki te hui mā runga hoiho, they travelled to the gathering by horse. Or if you want to be specific about whose horses it was, I haere rātou ki te hui mā runga I, or rātou hoiho, they travelled to the gathering on their horses. I mua kua haere a Rangi ki Taupō mā runga I te topatopa o tōna hoa. In the past, Rangi has gone to Taupō on his friend's helicopter. Yay for him. But what if you are walking? Well, the way to say that is mā raro. And so I could say, kua haere mai a hau mā raro. I came here on foot, which is a true story, and cheaper than taking a tōpatopa. Tōpa. I like that. Tōpa.